So, Class 8 Biology, Food Production, Part 2. Review your learning. Give any two uses of microorganisms. Any two uses of microorganisms are in the preparation of food items such as curd, bread and cheese, in agriculture to increase soil fertility by nitrogen fixation. Number 2. Write a short note on fungi as source of food. The fungus yeast serves as an important source of food, being rich in proteins and vitamin B. Certain varieties of mushrooms are eaten as food. They are highly nutritive and a rich source of proteins and vitamin. They are also rich in essential minerals like copper and potassium. Number 3. What are drought animals? Give two examples. The animals that play an important role in carrying loads in various agricultural operations like pulling agricultural implements and giving motive power to electrical devices are called drought animals. Two examples are buffalo, horse, etc. Number 4. Write the process of reeling of silk threads. The cocoon obtained is treated with steam or boiling water. This kills the pupa inside it and softens the sericin. Now the silk filament are carefully unbound. The silk that still contains sericin is known as raw silk. The raw silk is further treated with soap or boiling water to remove sericin. The fabric thus obtained is soft and lighter. Number 5. What is White Revolution? Name the father of White Revolution. The White Revolution is referred to as the concept of unexpected increase in milk production. Dr. Vargas Curin is known as the father of White Revolution. Answer in detail. Number 2. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Green Revolution and organic farming. Advantages and disadvantages of Green Revolution are as follows. Advantages. Green Revolution has improved the economy of our country. It made us self-sufficient. It has also improved the economic condition of our farmers. Disadvantages. It reduces the quality of the soil used for growing crops. It requires the use of non-sustainable agricultural methods. Next, advantages and disadvantages of organic farming are as follows. Advantages. It promotes biodiversity. It reduces farm pollution, reduces toxic substances in the environment. They are richer in nutrients. Disadvantages. These products are more expensive. They are produced in smaller quantities. The shelf life of this product is shorter than that of non-organic foods. It requires more work to produce goods that are ready for sale. Number 3. What are milch animals? At a short note on management of milch animals. The animals that produce milk is known as milch animals. Rearing of milch animals includes proper shelter, food production and breeding. Shelter. Animal sheds should be well maintained, cleaned and ventilated and should have proper arrangement for disposal of urine and dung. The floor of the cattle shed should be preferably sloping to keep their sitting place dry. Food. Animal feed must contain both roughage and concentrate. In addition to nutritious feed, the timing and frequency of feed is very important for good health of animals. The feed should generally be given in the morning and evening before milking. Water should be provided twice a day in large quantity. Protection. To protect animals from diseases, proper care should be taken to keep them fit and healthy. Protection from several diseases is done by vaccination. Number D. Breeding. By cross-breeding, new varieties of cattle have been developed. These are not only high milk yielding but also resistant to diseases. Now number 1, that with the help of a flow chart, classify crops in various ways. Give examples of each type. Crops are classified into product, season, purpose, lifespan. On the basis of product, they are divided into cereals, example wheat, and pulses, example gram. Season, rabi crops, example wheat, kharif crops, example rice. Purpose, cash crops, example cotton, food crops, example cereals. Lifespan, annual, example wheat, biennial, example cabbage, perennial, example mango. Question number 4. Describe any two meat yielding animals. Any two meat yielding animals are sheep and goat. Sheep. Sheep is the second largest species reared by mankind and it provides wool, milk, meat and hides. For getting meat, they are fed with more grains, gram chaff and oil cakes, and for wool, they are given grass, herbs and farm waste. Sheep are reared mainly for their wool. Nalli, Lohi, Marwari are some important breeds of sheep in India. Goats. Goats are mainly reared for meat, but they also provide milk and wool. Goats feed on the leaves of variety of plants. The important breeds of goat are Gaddi, Kashmiri, Pashmina and Marwari. Number 5. Explain the process of sericulture with the help of a diagram. Cultivation of silk moths for the production of silk is known as sericulture. Production of silk from silkworms takes place in the following steps. A. Hatching the eggs. A female silk moth lays 300 to 400 eggs at a time. These eggs are kept under controlled environment for about 10 days and hatches into larvae. Number B. Feeding of larvae. Larvae produced on hatching of eggs are fed with mulberry leaves. Larva eats continuously for about 6 weeks and grows to a size of about 3 inches. At this stage, it stops eating and is ready to spin cocoon. Number C. Spinning of cocoon. The larva attaches itself to the rearing box and spins cocoon. Larva secretes fluids that protects its body to form cocoon round itself, and at the end it wraps it into about a kilometer long filament, reeling the silk threads. The cocoon obtained is treated with steam or boiling water. This kills the pupa inside it. The silk filaments are carefully unbound. The raw silk is further treated with soap. The fabric thus obtained is soft and lighter. Along with this, you will draw figure of 6.16 production of silk from your book. So, thank you students. We are finishing this chapter here.